Hello and welcome to Four Clovers Quilting. My name is Diahn. This video today is all about you guys. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for coming along on this YouTube journey with me. It has been 2 years and 4 days. I'm a little late since I put out my first video. So I thank you all so very, very, very much for hanging out with me, coming along, subscribing, sharing, liking, commenting. It thrills me. It blows my mind that people watch. I absolutely adore you all. Thank you so very much. And I am grateful to each and every one of you. Thank you so, so, so much. I am in a different venue right now. I am a little late because I am sitting right now in an apartment I rented in Hamilton, Missouri. Yep, I'm here. There is a quilt retreat that is put on by that is put on by 3 YouTubers that you may watch. April from April's Craft Room, Di from Sister Chicks, I can't say that, Sister Chicks Quilting, and Tracy from the Sewing Channel. They are putting on a little retreat here in Hamilton. And yeah, I drove on down for that. It was about a 16-hour drive. I had a couple of side trips, little detours that I took to look for gas and food and good stuff like that. But I did it in 2 days. It was a long drive, but you know, it wasn't too bad. And went to Missouri Star today, fiddled around, and I'll have a video on all the Hamilton stuff I did coming up soon once I get home and get everything edited and down to a little more bite size because I took a ton of video. So anyway, you guys, this wouldn't be possible without you. I am absolutely grateful for everything you do. And you're the reason that I put content out, and I thank you so very much. You know, I have about 900 subscribers in 2 years, which, you know, it's fine. It is fine. And at first I'm kind of like, well, maybe this isn't what I should do. But I enjoy it, and I want to bring content that is fun, possibly helpful. Hopefully you can learn something or take a tidbit away. See pretty fabric, see fun patterns, and I just want it to be a safe place for you to have fun. There are so many things in this world that we hear on a daily, on the daily, that isn't fun. And I just want there to be a safe haven for everybody to come and hang out and comment, and just, I love that there's camaraderie, and I try to have fun. I try to do different content. I just want you all to have a really good time when you're hanging out with me. And I enjoy you all so very much, and thank you, thank you. This retreat that we're going to starts tomorrow at 2. That's Tuesday, and it goes through Saturday. I think we have breakfast, and then it kind of breaks up. So it'll be like 4.5 days. And I have 9 projects that I brought. Let's see if I get any sewing done, because I'm going to be wandering around looking at everybody's inspiration and having just a ball meeting everybody and seeing all the creativity that everybody has. So I will get a video out on Hamilton and the drive here, and possibly some on the drive back. My little apartment that I rented, because it is so cute, so comfortable, and just the time I had here. But that's for another video. This video is all about you guys. Thank you so, so, so very much from the bottom of my heart for everything. I have 900 subscribers, and you know, when I did the math, it's like I get 1.25 subscribers every day. So in 4 days, I get 5 subscribers. So I don't think that's too bad. So thank you guys so very much for hanging out with me. I just want it to be a safe, happy place where we can have fun, chat, and look at pretty fabric and fun patterns. So thanks again for everything you do. And I am grateful for each and every one of you. And thank you so, so very much. This is Diahn at Four Clovers Quilting. Please stay happy, stay healthy, stay creative, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.